for important weather information.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we'll postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we'll activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach. In the Somerset listening area, Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalf, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley counties, and in Tennessee, Campbell, and Scott counties. In the hazard listening area, Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Estill, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Johnson, Knott, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, McGoffin, Martin, Morgan, Owsley, Perry, Pike, and Wolfe counties. And in Tennessee, Claiborne and Campbell counties. And in West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties. And in Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise counties. In the Moorhead listening area, Bath, Elliott, Estill, Fleming, Johnson, Lewis, McGoffin, Menifee, Montgomery, Morgan, Powell, Rowan, and Wolfe counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We now return to recorded programming.
Further interest in the listening area.